Hello, if you are looking to pass your driving test, or in order to pass your driving test, you must understand roundabout driving rules. And we are going to discuss how to take the first exit, second exit, the third exit, the fourth exit, and the fifth exit or a U-turn on this 5 exit complex roundabout in this video. So, once you understand how to deal with this type of complex roundabout, then you don't need to see or watch any other video to understand the roundabout rules, and you can drive confidently on many different types of roundabout. So, in this video, you will learn first roundabout driving rules, second how to approach a roundabout, third how to drive a complex roundabout, fourth how to deal with any kind of roundabout, fifth how to drive around in a roundabout, when to go in a roundabouts in different situations. So here are the examples of all the 5 exits. Because of several reasons, this is a very complex roundabout. For example, it has 5 exits. Generally, it is not common. It is near a shopping complex, so it is always busy with traffic. This is joining place for many high-speed roads, and it is connected to many different cities or towns from here. So it is little bit outside of the town, so one can enter to the town through this roundabout and one can exit to the different places from this roundabout. Therefore, watch this video carefully to learn how to enter and exit from first exit to fifth exit. So we'll discuss from the each and every step in details. Let's go to the first exit, second exit, third exit, fourth exit, and fifth exit. And from each step, you'll know what exactly you are going to do in a roundabout or in your driving test. And this is going to be really helpful video for all of you. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now first roundabout, first exit. So plan from far ahead. Now I am looking this roundabout. I am planning to go to the first exit with this roundabout. So now I started indicating, right indicator, slowing down the speed, adapting the speed, wait, look at the left side, no car is there, then exit. Continuously indicate and then exit safely. Now let's exit at the second exit. So again, same way, look from far ahead, observe, so go with little bit slow, see to the left side and keep in the right lane and just wait, look at the left side. If there is no car coming, okay, then go to the outer lane, without any indication, but now you have to indicate and then exit safely. See the speed sign there. Let's take the third exit now. So planning from ahead, now change the lane to the left side. So go to the left lane, change the lane here, go to the left lane. Visibility is not clear, so you have to slow down, look at the left side, if there is no car coming, then you go and enter to the inner lane. So wait here until you get a chance to enter. Now you enter, indicate continuously, left indicator on, left indicator on, left indicator. Now you have to change the lane here and right indicator, exit, right indicator, exit safely. So this is the third exit. Now we go to the fourth exit. So again, similarly as third exit, you have to change the lane. Change the lane to the left side, left lane, indicate left and change the lane safely. And then now keep with this lane, try to enter the roundabout. So wait little bit slow, observe in the left side. When there is no car in the left side, then you enter into the inner lane. Enter, left indicator on continuously, so indicate to the other people that now here you have to change the lane to the outer lane, and then you exit safely. Now we plan to go to the fifth exit, or it is just a completely like a U-turn. So look ahead. Now change the lane to the left lane, indicate and change the lane. Now you have to observe carefully to the left side. If there is no car coming, start indicating. Wait here, check. If there is no car coming, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn, then enter to the left lane. Indicate left indicator continuously unless you are exiting to change the right indicator. So go and go with the left indicator. With the left indicator. Now here you have to change the lane. Go to the outer lane. And now you exit. One of the most crucial and important factor to remember when you are changing the lane to the outer lane, then you must check blind spot. You must check blind spot. If it is not safe, don't change the lane. Go another round, and then whenever it is safe, exit in a right way. Whenever only safe to exit or safe to change the lane, to change lane and then exit safely. I hope this video is helpful for you, but remember this is a very complex topic. How to handle a roundabout, how to go through a roundabout, what to do in a roundabout. So if something is unclear, just comment below. Okay, hey do, tada tada. See you in the next video. Bye.